Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Humvee. This casting is by Matchbox and is part of the Jurassic World line of casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Humvee out of its box, and the very first thing you'll notice is this paint. It looks like it's green painted like most of the army Humvees, but has some red paint or maybe blood on it. I'm not sure. It does say Gen N on the side. I think it's the company which had the Jurassic World running. Apart from that, on the side you can see these wheels, which do look alright here. Do like you see on a SUV. Also the typical Humvee shape with those flat doors, small windows in the back, which is tapered. So everything is there like a typical Humvee. Moving to the front, you can see it has got a bull bar in green, and then you also got those twin windows, typical Humvee. Looks like there's a hatch on the top to open, maybe for gun, I guess, maybe. You also got the opening in the hood here. Now coming to the, I won't say passenger side, coming to the other side, not the driver one. It follows the same paint, like maybe that same blood splatter kind of paint. I'm not sure if it's a fuel filler, assuming it is. It does have Gen N written on the side again, and I don't know what that is, but there's that. I don't know much about Humvees, those are not road vehicles. So now coming to the back, again they're not that many details. Don't see any painted tail lamps or something, but I assume this is the one. And even here there's a hat there, so I don't know if it's for putting stuff in or what it is for. And maybe this is the fuel filler here. Humvees are designed to be, work in all conditions, so that's why their design or their shape is run by their actual use rather than make it look good or something. This is how it looks from the bottom, and if you look at the bottom, it says it's 1:17 scale, and originally released in 2017. So should you get one? Well, I say yes. If you have got other Jurassic World cars, go ahead. It's part of the set. Even if you haven't got it, it still looks like a cool Humvee. Where do you get a car with this kind of paint? Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.